Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you probably have noticed, I have a bunch of, these are American Girl outfits. They're all on the floor. So I am going to be packing my American Girl doll Samantha for Florida. So every year my family takes a trip to Florida, and every year I bring Samantha. And I've never videoed it until now. So now I'm going to be showing you what I pack. So here's Samantha. So this is what she's going to be wearing. She has these sparkly pink boots that actually came with this outfit over here. And then she has these like quarter length pink, they're like actually pretty thick material. They're just like quarter length pants. Then there's the matching shirt with an owl on it. This came with the Our Generation, the scooter outfit. It's Our Generation. And then she has this jean jacket on. It's super cute. The pockets like actually open and actually buttons. It's like these fun patches. And that also goes with this outfit. So it's kind of like a fun mix and match thing, but I love it. And this is a good outfit because it'll just like, because where we live, it's cold in the winter. So yeah, so it gets cold in the winter. So this jean jacket will keep her warm, and so will the pants while we're walking into the airport for our house and stuff. Like, we don't like walk to the airport, but like, you know, when we're outside in the morning getting on our flight. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So without further ado, let's get into the clothes. All right, let's get into the clothes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like show you all the clothes or whatever I'm packing, because it's not all gonna be clothes. And then I'm just gonna time lapse me putting it into the suitcase, because if I'm being honest, it's gonna be a really boring process to watch. So here's what we're going to have. So this adorable bathing suit, it has watermelons on it. It's part of the one of the Our Generation bathing suit sets. This dress, and it's teal, and it actually has these little like holes in it. Hang on, there you go. So it's kind of like, it's almost made of, it's not like a bathing suit material, but it's like athletic. So like, if we ever do like, if we're going to like go out or like be out and about and doing stuff, that might be what she wears. It's also, it keeps her nice and cool. Then there's this adorable outfit. It has like a watermelon themed top and this just gray skirt with the pink here. It's from the OG, the Our Generation roller skate set. And then there's this, it's kind of like an undergarment, so I just like put it on her body if like she's wearing like a belly shirt or something, because her cloth body underneath is a different color, so it will just match up better with her skin. I actually made this out of like a leg warmer at my friend's house, and I like cut it and I did that. Yeah. Then there's this dress. It's from the American Girl collab. I think it was with Janie and Jack. It's like the rose dress, and it's so cute. I got it for Christmas, so I love it so much. So I'm bringing that as like a fancier dress in case. That doesn't like need to come though, so if I run out of room, I'll probably just put it to the side, because I have other like elegant outfits, because I honestly don't know how I'm gonna fit everything here. Then there's this one, which is the one that goes with the jean jacket and the boots that Samantha's in. There's just this jean skirt with some of the patches too. There's another one over here. Little ruffle, and then there's like a purple crop top. Then here we have this one. It has some sequins. It's purple, and then there's the skirt that's like, it has like the shiny triangles, and this shirt is super duper soft. Then there's these pajamas. They are Our Generation. I don't know what set they came from because my friend gave them to me, but they are so cute. They're like light pink. They look white on the camera, but they're like a light pink. The light is weird here, but they're like a light pink. They're super cute. They're very like light and airy, so they'll be perfect for the hot nights in Florida. Then there's this one, which is one of my, it's newer to me personally. Like, I've had it since earlier. Well, I shouldn't say this year because it's 2026 now. I've had it since like, I want to say like May 2025, so sort of new. I haven't really done any American Girl stuff, so you probably didn't really see it. But there's this one, and it's just like AG, and it has the cactus. It has some cactuses on it, so that's really cute. And then this, it's like an ombre tulle skirt, so it's really, really cute. It actually matches with a pair of my favorite shoes that I'm gonna bring later, so yes. Then there's this one. It says love. It's, I forget what this one is called. This is called. I know this one. It's part of the Celebrity Chic outfit, and it has this like sparkly pleated skirt, and then this love shirt. I just think it's cute. It also comes with this leather jacket and a headband that I'm not going to dig out, but I didn't bring the leather jacket because number one, it's a pain to fit in the suitcase, and number two, we're in Florida, we don't really need a leather jacket. And then this is one of my favorites. I also got this one, in May. And then this one, it's a romper, as you can see, with little oranges on it, and it's so cute. It's like a summery one, so that's one of my absolute favorites, and I had to bring it. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna put them on the Alright, we got all the clothes packed. This pink suitcase is like really a squeeze, but it's closed. This was the only outfit that didn't fit in the other suitcases. I could probably squeeze it into the blue one. I don't know. It's also like, it's not as full, but it's definitely exceeding. It's like getting to that point. So I just have that. So now I figured, why not just do the shoes? So I'm just not gonna leave it on. I'm just gonna grab them and show you. So this is for the clothes, and then I'm just gonna put the shoes in here. Hopefully they fit. So first, these ones came with the cactus outfit, and look how cute they are. They're little cheetah print cowboy boots, and they might be a little hot, but like, they're so cute. So, and if these don't fit, I probably won't wear them. Then there's also, these are like tennis, like athletic shoes. They're just like, these are our generation, so these are our generation, so they'll be a squeeze, but they do fit, and they go really well with that teal dress that I showed you. So if we ever do anything athletic, that's that. Then we have, these are kind of more elegant sandals. They're just like, they're silvery and cute. Then we have these orange ones, which go with the orange romper. They can be dressy or just like casual sandals to wear around the house. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I honestly don't need to do a ton up, so I'm just gonna put my phone right here. Let's just hope they don't fit, because I mean, like, I really want to bring the cowgirl boots, so I think they'll fit. I think it might just take a little bit of squeezing, and I'm actually gonna throw her towel just like right on top of here, just in case. Let's see, can we get the clasp in? Yes, almost. Yes, we can. Woohoo! All right, okay, I got it. Look at that. So that is all 3 bags packed. So now I'm going to move on to carry-on. Okay, now we're going to focus on carry-on bags. So I'm going to use this backpack. It's really cute. It's from the OG school set. It's just got some, like a triangle-y design, and it's pretty cute. So here's what I've got. So first, I have a sketch pad because Samantha likes to draw. So, yes. And I'm also bringing her little crayons in here so that she can draw. I also have a math notebook, and I'm not going to make her do a lot of homework, just a little bit. I'm actually, yeah. Then we have some Uno cards in case we want to play Uno together. It's actually like an Uno, like a mini Uno, because I didn't want to bring the actual American Girl cards in case I lost them. So yeah, but it's like pretty American Girl sized. So yeah, it's like a win-win. Then I just have a little bit of American Girl money. 10 and a 10. So just $20. I feel like I had more. Yeah, I do. And then I have another 20. Or I have a 20, not another one. So that's the first 20. Yes. Then I also have, let's see, what else did I have to put here? Oh yeah, I have some snacks. So I have these in this cute little container, some chocolate dipped Rice Krispie treats. Because even though I don't want to give her too much sweets, I gotta give her something. I'm just gonna grab everything else. Then in this cute container, I have a nice, I think it's like a turkey sandwich probably. Yeah. Good. Maybe a BLT, I don't know. So that's that. And we also have some vegetables because she has to stay healthy even if we are on vacation. In this little container, I packed her some carrots and celery. Gotta put it on. The lids on these are annoying. Just put them here. And then for some extra snacks in case she's just hungry, I have some, oh my god, airplane shaped crackers and some gummies. So yeah, I'm just going to shove those in here along with our other food. And then I think that's about, I have to bring a pencil. I think that's about it for her carry-on bag. Yeah, let's move on to her purse. So I'm just gonna bring this simple purse, and it's just gonna have a few quick essentials in it. So first, it's going to have this just little like makeup thing. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring this little makeup thing. Obviously her phone. I'm going to bring some sunscreen in here because Florida is sunny. It's SPF 65, so that's good. I'm also going to put a camera. It's like a disposable camera, so if she wants to snap a picture of her phone is dead or anything. And yeah, that's about it for the purse. Now I'm going to do the toiletries, which I'm going to fit in this bag. I didn't go too crazy, so first I have these sunglasses, which they're not really toiletries, but I'm just going to put them there. I have some conditioner, some strawberry conditioner, some strawberry shampoo. I have some toothpaste, some dental floss. I have a toothbrush. I have a little hairband, just in case. That might go in her purse, actually. I have this cute necklace that came with the cactus outfit. And this little, I think my friend made it for me. It's a rainbow balloon bracelet. And that's all for the toiletries. All right, so here's everything. So we have suitcases. I added a luggage tag carry-on. That purse, this toiletries, this suitcase. I have a neck pillow, a water bottle, a hat, and then this is how she'll be riding. So this straps on, so I have a rolling backpack, so this straps onto the handle, and then it sits like this, and then she'll strap into there. And yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned for the Florida videos and like the airplane. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.